Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to take this and turn it into this using the Envelope Distort tool. So first, you're going to use your type tool. Find a font that you like and type in the word or words that you're going to want to change into its shape. Once you have that done, you're going to want to create outlines from that type, and you can also find this option in the type drop-down menu right here. So once you have the outlines created, you're going to create a shape. I just use the rounded rectangle tool. And then make that shape into the shape that you like. Then once that's finished, you're going to right click the shape, go to arrange, and bring it to front so that it's the top object. That's very important. Now that everything's vectorized, you're going to make sure your letters are grouped or in a group. Unless it's a single letter, this is very important as well. Once you have that both done and your shape is the top object, you're going to select both your grouped letters and the shape itself. Hit Object, go to Envelope Distort, and click Make with the top object. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And you have your type in the shape of any shape that you want. If you found this educational and you want to see more quick tips like this, please subscribe to my channel. Right now, until I reach 1,000 followers, I'm taking any suggestions that subscribers leave in the comments of my videos and making a full video out of it. So if you have any suggestions or you want to see a video, right now all you have to do is subscribe and leave a comment, and I will make a full video describing how to do what you want